Abanikazi bamabhizinisi basazama ukubhekana nokuqeda umthelela oqhubekayo owenziwa uhlelo lokucishakonga ugesi. eBokap, umnikazi wekhemisi uNoren Kada uthi basazama ukuthola iqhinga elizokwenza bakwazi ukuqhubeka nokusebenza nangezikhathi zokucishakonga ugesi.
We had to literally close up the gate and the doors each time. And then we invested in a UPS so that we could power up the internet and then, function on tablets and laptops. That worked out for a while. It's supposed to have given us the 2 hours, but then because of how frequent load shedding was, the UPS wasn't holding, so it went from 2 hours to an hour.
Akuyena yedwa ozama ukuqhuba ibhizinisi emva kokubheduka kwe-COVID-19. eKapa izindawo zokudlela, abaqashi nezisebenzi zisadonsa kanzima kuze kube yimanje.
Sometimes the card machines don't work due to the network, so people can't really pay their bills, then they end up leaving. And when they come back, us as waiters, sometimes if they come back and do pay the bill, they don't pay the tip anymore, it's just paying the straight bill. So we end up losing money.
Inhlangano ebhekelele zokungcebeleka iFederated ithi lokho kwenza kube nzima ngenxa yokuthi izwe liphuma esikhathini esinzima seminyaka emibili lapho bekade kunemigomo yokunqanda ukusabalala kwegciwane le-COVID-19.
Sadly, those most damaged are the small hospitality businesses that do not have the capital to invest in alternative energy supplies, such as inverters or generators.
I think as the City of Cape Town, we have been privileged to offer our city-supplied areas with a lower level of outages in Cape Town. However, with the frequency of outages recently, we don't have sufficient lead time to recharge our system.
iEskom ithi kuzoqala isigaba sesine sohlelo lokucishakonga ugesi kusasa ekuseni.